Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm just coming on with a quick video. I've been at a team training all day and I wanted to record how I made my team swaps. I will share what I received at the end of this video, so stay on if you want to see those, but I'll get on and show you how I made this, but I'll make an actual card. I used the Summer Shadow dies and Shaded Summer stamp set. Now these were a celebration item and they've come back in the new annual catalogue, so they're great and they coordinate with these. I have made a card featuring these images before and I'll put a link up here. But yes, I'm using that, and also the Time Worn Type 3D embossing folder, which is absolutely lovely, quite vintagey looking. And I've used this die out of the beautiful, I think this is called Beautiful Shapes dies. So that's also in the mini catalogue, and I'll check, I'm not sure. So using iridescent rhinestones and the petal pink out of this cotton ribbon duo, which is in the mini catalogue, so available till the end of the beginning of June. So I've got a thick basic white card base. I've got a layer of crumb cake, and because I'm layering this onto a card, I have die cut the shape. I'm going to do some heat embossing out of that, but you're not going to see that. I've already embossed this layer, so we'll just pop that on straight away. I've got some glue, so there is some type on this bit, so it's worth making sure that you've got it the right way up before you put it on your card. And I just know that because I can read the word harvest there, so I know that's okay. Just put that on. And those layers are cut in half a centimetre smaller than each other, so they go down and leave a slightly wider border than normal. But all the measurements will be over on my website, LynnieCDesigns.co.uk. I have just recently moved over from just a blog to a website. It is a work in progress. I'm not entirely happy with it, but there we are. So I'm going to do some heat embossing on there, and I have already done the die cutting. So this video should theoretically be nice and quick. Let's just get some grid paper, save my pretty paper. I've got some leaves, and so you've got detail bits in the leaves, and then you've got these flowers, and I've cut an extra flower this time because I was making 11 before, and I got a bit tired. So anyway, I'm going to use a sponge dauber before I put everything together, and I'm just going to add petal pink to petal pink, and it just gives a really nice depth to that colour, I think. So I'm gonna quickly do that. Let's bring it nearer. I'm going to do the centre of those flowers and then the edges. When I did my samples, to save time, I did all my die cutting, stuck all the pieces together, and then I did my sponging. But because I'm doing this for you today, I thought I would do it slightly differently. way I would have done it had I had left myself more time when I was doing my swaps. So this was a team meeting with my wider team. There were about 20 of us. I'm a part of Emma Goddard, Coastal Crafters team, so I'm a stamping starfish. Lovely group of ladies, and we get together and have such a laugh. So if you like crafting and you haven't got a demonstrator, then please get in touch, because I'd love to be a demonstrator, and your demonstrator, and I would love to share a little bit more info if you're unsure about it, about Stampin' Up, the products, and the lovely community and group of friends that I have gathered. So those are done. We'll glue those together in a minute. Just pop those off to one side. I'm going to do some heat embossing. Now I've got my little anti-static bag there, and pop that off to one side. We've got some Versamark. Make sure it's the right way up. 1, 2, 3. And I've got my white emboss powder. And if you've followed me for a while, you know that I love heat embossing. It was one of the first things that really drew me to paper crafting. So I'll put my heat tool on and I'll probably speed up the video, but it is just magic the way that melts into the card. So let's get this together. I'm going to pull in my silicone sheet to stick these together, because it stops your lovely paper from getting covered in glue. Now with these, it's not precise. I just stick a little bit of glue around that central bit, and on here I'm just going to put a little bit of glue down the stem and on the top of that leaf there. And we will layer these up. Hopefully my frizzy hair is not going to get in the way. So my poor husband has been on his own today, and he's a bit poorly actually, again, coughing and spluttering, sickly boy. Now there is a way, so let's match these up. It's quite easy to match these up. Pop that down there. You can just dab off any extra, and the beauty with this glue, I've said it before, but it just dries clear. So if you get it slightly wrong, and I just love that, look, it just gives those a little bit of definition. Matches up nicely there. There we go. Let's put this baby together. We've already got that base there. I'm going to pop that up with dimensionals. These are mini dimensionals. That's all you need. Pop that down there. And then give that a little bit of a scrunch, and I'm going to put a dimensional there and a little blob of glue there, because that is going to, one's going to go there and one's going to go there. I'm going to pop get my paper snips, use some of the edging on that. I'm going to pop that under there. And then I'm going to pop that. I'm going to pop that under there. Now I'm going to pop that under there. And then the leaves. Tiny little bit of glue. Fabulous. What did I do with that ribbon? Put it down somewhere safe. Oh, there it is. Little bit of ribbon. Let's see if we can tie a bow on camera. We'll put this on with a diamond. Put this on with a glue dot. Said it last week, I think I need to sharpen these scissors. Right, let's get a glue dot. We'll go down there, and then we have these rhinestones, and I'm going to put the bigger ones. They're just gorgeous. Bigger ones, come on in, fingers and thumbs. Put that in the middle there, and then we're just going to put a couple of extras on there. So same but different. That's not quite on straight, is it? Hope you enjoyed that, and let me just show you the beautiful swaps I got from the team. Alison made this really clever box, and I've eaten some of the treats in there, which is not very good. Beautiful, look at that panda, that's amazing. Anne Marie was Maggie, I think, which was absolutely brilliant. That was from Louise. That was from Anne, and that is just beautiful. That's Emma's mum. Ooh. That was from the Crafting Bunny. That's from Pat, which is lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. That was from Sue, fabulous with the new teacups, and that was from Lisa, which is absolutely amazing. And these you just pop on cards and then they're ready to go. And look at this, this is amazing. This is from Emma Goddard, who is our very talented team leader. So anyway, thank you for watching. That's all for today, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.